Hi friends, I am KS Chaudhary here will tell you can let दे सकते हो यस कैन यू लेट मी स्लीप हियर क्या आप मुझे यहाँ सोने दे सकते हैं राइट या कैन यू लेट मी मेक वीडियो क्या आप वीडियो बनाने दे सकते हैं कैन यू लेट मी डांस हियर राइट कैन यू लेट मी स्पीक आप बोल सकते हैं क्या मुझे बोलने दे सकते हैं इन दिस वे कैन यू लेट मी फ्लाई योर काइट क्या आप मुझे अपनी पतंग उड़ाने दे सकते हैं कैन यू लेट मी सिट ऑन योर सीट क्या आप अपनी सीट पे बैठने दे सकते हैं इन दिस वे यू कैन आस्क रिक्वेस्टिंग मी कैन यू लेट ओके शी कैन नॉट लेट यू से एनीथिंग वो तुम्हें कुछ नहीं बोलने दे सकती राइट she okay can you let her sit here क्या उसे आप यहाँ बैठने दे सकते हैं can you let me drink water can you let me drink water from your water bottle क्या आप मुझे अपनी पानी की बोतल से पानी देने दे सकते हैं क्या let me they can't let us go there वो वहां हमें नहीं जाने दे सकते they can't let us go there teacher can't let sing a song टीचर हमें गाने नहीं दे सकता because class is going on that's why teacher can't let sing a song us in this way it is very nice topic can you let me write in rough copy ma'am can you let me write in rough copy क्या आप मुझे रफ कॉपी में लिखने दे सकती हैं can you let me write in the rough copy rough notebook because I have not brought my book that's why I am requesting to you can you let me write in the rough copy right क्या आप मुझे राहुल से कॉपी लेने दे सकती हैं can you let me take notebook from Rahul can you let me take notebook can you let me take notebook from Rahul in this way we speak now can you let me send message right क्या आप मुझे मैसेज भेजने दे सकते हैं can you let me send message right yes क्या आप उसको यहाँ बैठने दे सकते हैं can you let him sit here right yes in this way we can say that yeah मैं तुम्हें यहाँ नहीं बैठने सकता I can't let you sit here right वो तुम्हें यहाँ नहीं सोने दे सकता he cannot let you sit he can't let you sleep here in this way right हाँ we can say to do earn वो तुम्हें कमाने नहीं दे सकता he can't let you earn money because he is very sharp person he can't let you earn money he can't let you earn money in this way right मैं आपको बाहर नहीं जाने दे सकता I can't let you go outside मैं आपको फोन नहीं उठाने दे सकता I can't let you receive call in the class because class is going on that's why I can't let you receive any call right I can't let you talk in Hindi because it is an English class that's why मैं हिंदी नहीं बोलने दे सकता आपको I can't let you speak Hindi. Right? I can't let you sit here. I can't let you take exchange things. I can't let you exchange things. Sometimes you are taking scale, sometimes you are taking eraser, sometimes pen. Oh, bring your right. अपनी लाओ भाई. आई कांट लेट यू, राइट, यू कैन से दैट। मैं आपको अपना जीवन खराब नहीं करने देता, आई कांट लेट यू स्पॉइल योर लाइफ बिकॉज आई एम योर टीचर। सो आई कांट लेट यू स्पॉइल योर करियर लाइक दिस। इस तरह से मैं आपका जीवन बर्बाद नहीं करने दे सकता आपको। आई कांट लेट यू, right? I can't let you, we can say that. I can't let you. I can't let you spoil your career. Your career. Like this. Like this. In this way, you can speak English. Right? Yeah. I can't let you touch my things. I can't let you speak Hindi. Hindi नहीं बोला जा सकता. Right? Yeah. I can't let you touch other things without permission. मैं आपको बाहर नहीं जाने दे सकता. I can't let you go outside because class is going on. That's why I can't let you sing a song. I can't let you dance because party is not going on. That's why I can't let you do dance. I will not let you. First, it is the third part, let. Let is very important. First part, let me do. Let me play. Let me sing. Let us, let us do work. और काम करें. And second one, will you? Okay, I will not let you sleep. I will not let you touch my things. And third part, can't let. Right? I can't let you stop. I can't let you spoil your career. I can't let you draw pictures because it's the maths class, English class. So I can't let you do my work in another copy. Right? I can't let you do work in rough copy. In this way, you can speak. Now, it is very nice topic. Okay? Yeah. Bye.